Welcome to the Harrison Avenue School Library Media Center. This is our open house program for 2020 to 2021. My name is Ms. Heller. I am your library media specialist. I work in the library alongside Ms. Greco, and these are images of how we look in our real lives. But this year we will also be working virtually. And when we work virtually, these are our virtual selves. And now I'm going to have my virtual self take over the presentation. Tonight, I'm going to share with you a little bit about our library program. I'm going to review the schedule. I'm going to discuss book borrowing and share where you can find additional information. We look a little bit different than what you may expect, but we are still the same place. We are still a place for children to read and enjoy books, to engage with technology, and to have fun while learning. Our goal is to create lifelong, independent learners, and we do this through a comprehensive K-5 program. The program is divided into 3 parts. We look at digital citizenship and issues involving how we communicate through technology. We look at cyber safety. We look at questions of ethics and privacy and plagiarism. We also experience and learn about informational literacy. Students conduct research projects. They learn how to evaluate and synthesize information. And we engage in literature appreciation. By using genre and author studies, we're able to help students find just right books. All students will attend a synchronous library session once on a 12-day cycle. If your child is a hybrid learner, on the day your child is in school, he or she will attend library in our computer lab. Our computer lab has had all the computers removed so that we can be socially distanced and follow those health and safety protocols set up by Harrison Central School District. If your child is an all virtual learner, your child will attend library through Zoom. Asynchronous library occurs on the day when your child's cohort is at home, but the class is attending library. If your child is in kindergarten, 1st or 2nd grade, an assignment will be posted in Seesaw with the topic library at home and the dates of the cycle. If your child is in grades 3, 4, or 5, the assignment is posted in Google Classroom, and under classwork, the topic will be at home, again with the dates of the cycle. At-home work is always posted on the first day of a new cycle, and the expectation is that your child will check it on the day their class attends library, but they are not due to either be in person or Zoom with their school. Every Monday, students are given a synchronous encore session. Zoom schedules will be sent out by class and time, and your classroom teacher will notify you when encore is switched. For the month of October, 2nd graders will visit library on Monday afternoons. There can be a lot to keep track of this year. That's why every class has a library schedule posted in Seesaw and in Google Classroom, which will have the letter day that your child attends library, the time, and the Zoom link for students that are 100% virtual. This year, book borrowing will occur in 2 phases. We are introducing this cycle Ebooks. Ebooks are electronic books that students can read on their devices. All ebooks must be accessed through the Launchpad for Class link on a Chromebook that can be found anytime you open up a Chrome tab in the Chrome browser, iPad, students will need to use the ClassLink app. There will be a folder that says Library Resources. This cycle, your child is being introduced to this folder and to the different resources. We are grateful to the Harrison Educational Foundation for allowing us to purchase books through a company called Follett. We are also supplementing these books with a subscription to something called Junior Library Guild. This is a Netflix for books where books will rotate every month. And we are pleased to offer students Tumble Books, reading books that they can have at home. These books are being introduced to your children this cycle, and I know they'll be excited to explore them with you from home. For the borrowing of print books, we will be following scientific guidelines involving quarantine and how students may access our books. Students will receive more information about these procedures later this month. There's a lot of information to take in. We are always available to help you. My email is posted on Seesaw, and it's always posted for students to contact me on Google Classroom. Ms. Greco's email is here, and she also runs our Harrison Help Desk to assist students with the use of technology at Harrison Avenue School, and she is happy to take your calls. I know things look different, it's very true, but please remember, we are so happy to be back with you, and I thank you for your support, and I look forward to a wonderful school year. Have a terrific night.